In this guide, I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Valorant on the Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and then go to settings. And then in the top left, you want to scroll over to stats. From here, you want to scroll down and turn on packets lost to show both. So now when you're in game, if you have a look in the top left corner, as well as on the right side of your screen, you'll see whether or not you're losing packets. So if you are losing packets, the first thing I recommend you do is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to go to home. And then what you want to do is scroll up, and we're going to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. From here, you want to go to network settings by general. And then what you want to do is test your network speed and statistics. So if you notice any abnormalities here with your download or upload speed, packet loss, latency, or wireless strength, what I recommend you do first is unplug the power cable from your home network devices, and then after 30 to 60 seconds, you can go ahead and plug it back in. This is known as a power cycle, and it will temporarily disconnect you from the internet, but try and see if your network speed and statistics improve after that. I also do recommend that you use a wired connection. It's always going to provide a more stable, fast connection for your internet, as well as decreasing the number of devices using your internet while playing games. Now, if none of that's really working, what I recommend you do is go to Advanced Settings and then select QoS tagging settings at the bottom. Then what you want to do is turn on DSCP tagging and play a few games to see if the number of packets lost decreases. Now, if it doesn't decrease, what I recommend you do if you're using a wireless connection is try turning on WMM tagging. Now, neither of these options work. Be sure to turn them off again so your internet will return to normal. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.